Uliumia ama ni unaandika lakini sasa za smoke.
We've been doing this program since April of this year, 2026. So far, we have done 6 rounds. This is our 6th round here in Runyenjes. We have been able to see about 2,392 patients in total across various specialties. And one of the things that we have learned is a lot of people in Embu County are staying home when sick. They wait until too late to seek help from the health facilities. The second thing is sometimes when they are either referred to Embu level 5 or are told to come back for an appointment, they don't come back. So their condition keeps getting worse, especially for those who have cancer and symptoms of cancer.
Then one budget, toravaririria na turenda irigira kuvetukua ya 2026 2027 financial year. Tukoretwo twina mathina ma mandagitari meta ma UHC. That is universal health coverage. Mandagitari mama to available ni national government no makoretwo magiruta wira na contract na ni makoretwo maina thina ucio ni tondu mbia cia mundu wa contract ti undu na mundu permanent. Riu twina budget ya almost 320 million or 14 to 20 314 thereabout area ego take care kana kumenyerera undu ucio wa go transit kara komaruta from contract kuthie permanent and pensionable kau kengi nako kwina thina wa mandagitari aria makoretwo mekarite thina wa the same job group kavinda karasa riu ni turenda nao mbia icio cia vetukani ko ciekuo cia gwika kindu gitagwa promotions ni kendha nao mavate gunyita kamusara kega taria engi